Come along, let's learn and play. More good habits every day. Little things we always do keep us strong and happy too. Clean, clean, clean your room, put your toys away. Tidy space is nice and bright, let's keep it that way. Read, read, read a book every single day. Stories help us learn new things in a fun, fun way. Share, share, share your toys, be kind to your friends. Helping others feels so good, kindness never ends. Walk, walk safely now, look both left and right. Cross the road so carefully, safety first is right. Throw trash in the bin, keep the world so clean. Pick it up and help around, be a helping team.